Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a contact in Docusign. The first thing you want to do is get logged in or signed up. If you do not already have an account, go over to your Google Chrome browser and type in docusign.com. This is where you get signed up. Now, if you do not already have an account signed up, do well to head over to sign in and then ensure that you sign in to Docusign. And if you already have an account, do well to simply log in to make the process seamless for you. Now, because I already have an account, I will just simply get logged in, and as you can see displayed on your screen is my Docusign platform. Now, this is the dashboard where everything happens. Now, to ensure that I show you how to add a particular contact in Docusign, the first thing I want to do is head over to the top right corner over here, and you would see my profile icon. I'll click on that, and for you to add a contact or do any of those administrative tasks in Docusign, you want to work with your profile. So I'll head over to my preferences, and it will lead me to this page. Now on this page, this is where I have my general settings, regional settings, contact information, notification preferences, and all of this. Do well to familiarize yourself with this page because this is where you get to do a whole lot of setup. All right, so I'll just head over to this menu bar over here at the left hand corner, and you will see the option contacts. Now what we want to do is add a contact in Docusign, so we'll just click on contact and we would do that quickly. So on this page you can see that I do not have any contact listed, so my inventory is empty. Now to add a contact, I'll head over to the right corner here where there is add contacts, click on that, and then all I have to do is just to fill in the information to add a contact, like their full name. Let's say their full name is AJ and the email address is this. When I'm done, I can decide to add their phone number, add the company they work with. If I want to share this contact, click on shared contact and then click on save. And in that simple step, I have been able to add contact in Docusign. So remember, head over to my preferences, click on contacts, head over to add contact, and then fill in the necessary information and save. I hope these steps were simple and understanding for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.